In this video, I'm going to show you how to push code from Lovable to GitHub. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to open up your app or your website or whatever code you want to push inside Lovable, and then you want to click on the very top over here where you can see this GitHub logo, and it says sync your project to GitHub. Click on that and click on Connect GitHub. Now here it's going to say Connect Project, and you want to click on Connect Project, but if you have never done this, you'll first have to authorize your GitHub account inside Lovable. Okay, that's very easy. You're gonna have to click on over here and you'll be able to authorize it and connect it. After this, click on Connect Project, select your GitHub organization. I'm gonna select this one over here and then click on Transfer Anyway. And whenever you do this over here, it's going to take a few seconds for this to complete. And then down here, you can click on View, and you'll be able to view your project, your code inside GitHub that was just exported from Lovable. Okay, so as you can see it over here, this is now the code. I could go ahead, click on the code here, and I could go ahead and open it with GitHub Desktop, download it as a zip file, etc. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.